Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Aston Martin of Boston, we have the, what is this one? 2020 Aston Martin Vantage. I've driven the manual, now I wanted to try the automatic. It's just a phenomenal car. Twin turbo V8, pushing a little over 500 horsepower, I do believe. Hood release. There's your two turbos. Wow. What a machine, guys. And take a picture of this one. There we go. Your key should already be unlocked. And then I'll start it up, get the air flowing. Push the start. There we go. All right, window sticker on this one. Stickers for 162.16. Jet black over pure black Alcantara. This is the Comfort Collection. Headrest embroidery and the 10-spoke gloss black wheels. Only options this one has. Automatic windows, nice. Go ahead, put that back on the floorboard. We're in track mode. It's all configured by this button here. Sport Plus opens up the valves, and then track just makes everything a little bit crazy. So you know what I'll do? I'll do Sport Plus, then I'll move over to track with the paddles. Backup camera, forward camera. Vantage is, well, the DBX would be the entry-level Aston Martin, but price-wise, the Vantage is just a little bit cheaper. I'm gonna bring in a little bit more air because it's hot. Eight-speed automatic is absolutely phenomenal. Torque converter automatic, not a dual clutch, although it had me fooled for a second. Yeah, I want track mode with paddles. You can tell just how aggressive it gets in track mode. It is no ounce of power spared. That's why I really exclusively use track mode with the paddles. Speaking of using the paddles, My, oh my, are they awesome paddles. They do stay in place. They stay in place. They are metal. Keep in mind, this is the factory exhaust. I'm pretty sure you can get a sports exhaust that has four pipes. This one just has 2. But it's still plenty loud for what it is. Making sure the aircon doesn't hit the camera. Oh my God, what a car. Oh yeah, that button's here. My, what a car. You know, this thing, it's a proper car, man. I drove the manual, which was the dog leg, so that threw an element in there that I wasn't really expecting, which made it tough to drive. But in this automatic form now, it's pretty impressive. Oh my God. What on all things holy. Yes, Aston Martin. This is how you make a car. This is what you do. There's no doubt in my mind, this is what a sports car should be. You know, this is my first time driving this generation Vantage with the manual, or the paddle shifter. I've driven the previous gen with the manual and the paddles, and now I've driven this new gen with the manual and the paddles. For overall fun experience, the manual is absolutely amazing. But for what it is, this transmission might just suit it a little bit better. and drive sport. Jeez, that GMC is flying. Man, what a car. I've never driven an Aston Martin I haven't liked. And this one also fits in to that statement. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.